Method number 1. Preparing to clean your comforter. Read the care label. Determine if your comforter needs to be cleaned. Check for seam, strength and any hole. Remove stains with baking soda and vinegar. Method number 2. Washing your comforter. Load your comforter into a washing machine. Set the washing machine to the delicate setting and select the water temperature. Add an extra rinse cycle if possible. Use a small amount of mild detergent. Method number 3. Drying your comforter. Place your comforter in the dryer with the tennis shoes or ball. Dry the comforter on the low heat setting. Fluff the comforter regularly during the drying process. Hang the comforter outside